Check that time. 5 + 5. And I've already been up like half an hour. I was up late anyway, because YouTube, being a pain in the butt, is not processing my videos. It's uploading them, but the processing is staying at 0. I'm on to my 3rd attempt. I've been to bed. I couldn't sleep. I was just so restless. I couldn't settle or anything, and restless leg as well. My leg was twitching like hell. Excuse me. I just couldn't settle, so in the end I've just got up. I might have had half an hour's sleep so far, and that's about it. I'll try and go to bed a bit later on, get a couple of hours, but yeah. So tired at the moment. Yeah, well, not a happy bunny. 4 attempts it took to get that video onto YouTube. 4 attempts, it just sat at 0 processing. Only way I could get something up from yesterday was to literally cut most of it out and put a shortened version up, which is lost most of the day's vlog footage. I'm absolutely gutted about that. So yeah, but I got one up anyway, but it's not the full day, unfortunately. So I do apologise about that. There was quite a bit of funny stuff as well, like just banter between me and Denise, but there's no way for some reason I can get it up. Hello.
Oh.
Somebody's grazing in the fridge.
No, I'm getting my lunch.
Just had your breakfast.
About 2 hours ago.
Right. Lovely afternoon. 4:25. It's blazing sunshine. Lovely. The magpies are going absolutely scatty in the tree next door. For once, it's not because of Franklin, because he's just down there. We've been to the lockup. It is now empty. We've managed to get everything in the sheds, although can't get into the shed now. So that's plenty of boxes of my parents' old stuff that I just need to go through. See which of it to bin, pretty much, and what to keep. Oh, we're getting back to that, where as soon as I start vlogging, something happens. Directly over the house. Very typical. Hello. Hello. Oh, let's go and see what the girls are doing. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, do you want 20p?
I think it's a phone one, is it? No, it's not.
You can get a Freddo.
I don't think you will get a Freddo.
You can. Freddo's a 20p.
Are they? Okay. How's everybody doing?
Bad language.
Talking about my t-shirt.
Got a head like a...
Orange. What's the matter?
There's a big massive fly.
Where?
Mum, he's got a head like a... Mum. He's got a head like a cooking orange.
It's children watch us, you know.
No, I said cooking.
Cooking. Oh.
Cooking.
Is that like
orange.
one cooking?
Ah.
Yes. So everything okay?
You need to zoom your head again. Zoom it, Henry.
Ah, you must be so pleased. I know you look forward to doing housework.
Yeah. Of course. It's a delight. Molly!
Yes, so that's them. You seriously need to get rid of them boxes on the decking every week. I think I'm going to put them in the recycle bin every 2 weeks, and every 2 weeks I keep forgetting, hence why they're still there. Yeah, we didn't get to time out the station like I was hoping to do. Not today. Denise went out shopping with her mother this morning. She says, well, be back way before you two out of bed. Nah, she turned up like 1:30, 2 o'clock, something like that. She came home. So only had a chance to sort of go down to the lockup, then come home and get everything in the sheds. We still need a nip to the shops because we need stuff for food and breakfast and everything. Then tomorrow we've got the weekly shop, because Monday we are starting our diets properly. Like I was saying on the vlog last night, I really need to get on mine. And I was back on my diet, and I spoke to Denise this morning about it, and she totally agrees, and Monday it is. So Steve, if you're up to it, you know, we can do the diets together, because you were saying that you might start yourself. I'll be putting my stuff. I need to get back into the habit of logging all my foods, all my intake and everything, and putting it on MyFitnessPal, all my calories and all that sort of thing. That's all we're going to be doing, is just watching our calories. It seems to work for us. So yeah, it'll be nice. I still need to get a bit of weight off. Not as much as I did, because I've still lost 2 stone, just over 2 stone. I had actually lost 3 stone, but I put a little bit back on, so got about 3/4 of a stone to lose, something like that. It's about 11 pounds I need to lose. Yeah, fingers crossed. I was just swapping all the hanging baskets around before, and I came across something which I totally forgot about, which is my watch, my G-Shock. Now, with it being solar powered, I put it out the other day to recharge in the sun, and I sort of hung it on the hook here. It's been out here for like 3 or 4 days. I totally forgot about it. Needless to say, it's fully charged now. It's been out in the rain, hailstones, everything. It's a good job it's weather resistant and can be used for diving and all that sort of thing. So yeah, it's fully charged. We're having a Chinese, yeah! Just before we start with diet on Monday, we're going to have a blowout tonight. Oh, hey!
We're having soup.
We're having soup, house special curry, the lot. Oh god, it seems ages since I've had a Chinese. Yeah, so I'm coming round to our friend Pings, who runs the Chinese, and gonna get some scran. Oh, here it is. No. 2 bags of prawn crackers as well. Prawn crack, as I call them.
And 3 what's it, 3
spring rolls.
Yeah, spring rolls.
Yeah, we'll get 3 spring rolls as well. Hey, the joys of knowing the owner. Lovely. Have a smell. Lovely, isn't it? Oh, my stomach's turned. Ooh, little boy, get on the path. Looking forward to it, Don?
Yep.
Bit of prawn cracker. Ha yeah. Prawn crack. Food. Chicken sweet corn soup.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's tempting
No,
hot.
Mum, it's going to be absolutely freezing cold, isn't it? Just come out with a big massive pan and she expects it to be freezing cold.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
No.
Mmm.
Oh, look at that. Even went for the presentation as well. Little section. Spring rolls, noodles, house special curry of fried rice.
And chips.
And chips. Oh, lovely. Happy. Yeah.
Happy.
Let's tuck in. One. We've just had tea. It was absolutely splendiferous. Somebody's not feeling very well. Poor Denise. I'm not sure if she's coming down with a cold or what, but she's got a bit of a headache. She's feeling run down and all sorts and feeling cold. So, yeah.
You're so nasty.
Wow.
This is what happens when I can't defend myself. I have to sit here like this.
You're nasty, putting that on her.
I actually came down with it on though.
It's nice and warm on my head. At least it's warm as well.
Can I try it? Look at Mum with her hair. There you go, Mum.
Anyway, Georgia.
Oh, fun with her.
You just hit us on the head.
And now,
It's a duck.
it's a duck.
Is it a duck?
What's a duck?
Platypus.
What?
I don't know.
A platypus.
It is.
How-
It's a platypus.
How is that anything like a platypus?
It's a platypus. Look at Phineas and Ferb.
Oh, what?
Phineas.
Yeah, okay. Think real life. What a platypus looks like.
Like that.
It's like an otter with a duck's bill type of thing.
Look it up.
Platypus. Lose all faith in you, my darling. Georgia's checking a platypus. But
Where?
I'm gonna have myself a lovely, relaxing, hot soak in a bubble bath while these two degenerates watch trash TV.
That's what a platypus looks like.
Let's see what a platypus looks like. Yeah, quite similar to what you see down Newcastle on a Friday night. Yeah. I've seen a few platypuses down there, like.
So are you saying Mum looks like that then? Because Mum goes down there in Newcastle on a Friday
I've seen a
night.
few platypuses. I didn't say Mum was one of them.
Calling me
I'm-
mother a platypus.
I'm totally hip a croc and dog of pigs.
Calling me mother a duck.
Evening, guys. Oh, I've had a soak in the bath. I'm hoping I'm not coming down with whatever Denise is feeling bad with. I feel a bit ropey. Tired. Got a bit of a headache. My nose is running like something not right. But, hopefully go to bed soon and have an early night. I'll do the vlog tomorrow. Do all the editing and everything tomorrow. Get snuggled up in bed and sleep it off. Yes, not much happening. It's a quiet night. Them two are watching Big Brother and everything, and the irritating ones come back. I see it. Showbiz. They're enthralled in that. Like I say, I've just been upstairs listening to my music in the bath and come down. Come down, I'm just having a drink of my water because I need to drink more. I've really lost what's the enthusiasm of drinking water, I suppose I could say. I used to drink loads every day, but I stopped doing that for some reason. I'll have to get back into it. But yeah, not much else happening. Lazy night. It's going to be an early night, so what I'll do, I'll say goodbye to you for now and catch up with you all tomorrow. Hope everybody has a good night. Bye bye.